Special delivery.
Hey guys, okay guys, CNC Electronics here with a quick update on this amplifier I got to repair. And this is the Hifonics. Let me give you it's the Hifonics Brutus. Let me see if I get the wattage and the model number soon for you guys. It's a beautiful amplifier. I love it. It's like this amplifier is so compact in this little thing here, as you guys can see. The circuit board here. Alright, and the back panel is so it says BG 3300D right there, guys. That's the model number for this one. So it's a BG 3300.1D, meaning 1 ohms. And guys, this amplifier is a beautiful amplifier. I tell it, as I told you, it's really compact. As you can see, these cap are like the iPhone, that thing they put on with the lightning guy holding the lightning strike, and inductor coil. Everything is seated like really firm. Everything, all these toroid transformer is really, this cap, they're really glued to the circuit. But the problem I get, I got this and the person said it plays and it goes in and out. So I check SMD up here, I check a lot of places, but I check on, let me see, where is that little thing? One of these guys, they have some strap running from the middle pin of the ear. You see them, the gold looking, yeah, those, one of them was up. Yeah, this, you see, that one, that. Yes, one of them was out of the circuit. It was this one right here. So I solder it back, check around again, pour it up, and seems everything, it's plain and everything like that. I like how it lights up. We have some LED right here, so it focused down on the button. Let me pour it up, guys, so you can see. And then you guys can see it's really pretty. So it focused down, and the switches and back, same thing here, back here. So you can see it. It's really beautiful. I like I like it, I swear. I like this Hifonics. Yeah, I really like this one. Guys, but as I said, the circuit is, yeah, a lot of people, not a lot of space for, nothing, but it's space enough for me, you know, to like, yeah, I wouldn't have a problem with a circuit like this, to work on a circuit like this. Everything looks really uniform, you know, put together and stuff like that. Yep, nothing is too close to me, you know, everything, and it's working fine. So guys, let me see if I can play a track real quick on it, guys. You know what so it's playing. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but right now I'm gonna do my little thing with my screwdriver, guys. I'm going to show you guys. And this up here, my wife's will open the door and start to make noise, so let me put this up and go back to recording, guys. Let's stop it for now. As you guys can see, it's playing. So that was a little quick one on this. And this cap, let me see, I don't see the value on, oh yes, it's on them 1000 UF at 160 volts. This cap right here, those are the real caps. Yep, This power supply cap says 2200 UF, 35 volts, and it's with 4 toroidal transformer and 2 inductors. This guys, alright. And this filter cap non-polarized on here is 110 UF at 250 volts. These are non-polarized. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Wow. Well, now I see 2. And that amplifier, this is 4. Wow. So yes guys, that's it for the repair of this one. This was a quick little one, guys. So let me turn this power supply off, guys. I know that fan is annoying. I heard it in the video a lot of times. So that's it, guys, for the repair of this one. That was a little fast little one, guys. But sometimes you get them like that, sometimes you don't. So yep. Oh, that's wrong. It's wrong. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Alright. This thing look like it never been open. So guys, and thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one, guys. See you on the next one. CNC Electronics out. Thank you guys very much for watching.
Special delivery.